Hello students, today we will learn about invitations and reply. So very first we must know invitation is a kind of personal notice sent individually to people. इन्विटेशन एक पर्सनल नोटिस होती है जो कि इंडिविजुअली लोगों को भेजी जाती है. नाउ हाउ मेनी काइंड्स ऑफ इन्विटेशन आर देयर? There are two types of invitations, formal and informal. Now what are formal invitations? Informal invitations, one starts with the designation of the organizer followed by name and address of host, details about the date, time and venue of the function. The chief organizer's name is printed with RSVP on the bottom left hand corner of the card. So it is clear that it is printed. Okay, so the formal invitations are printed on a paper, and informal invitations are just personal letters written to friends or relatives, and their style is relaxed and informal. These include personal feelings and emotions. Now some points is to be kept in mind while writing an invitation. इन्विटेशन लिखते समय कुछ बातों का हमें ध्यान रखना चाहिए. अगर हम कोई फॉर्मल इन्विटेशन ड्राफ्ट कर रहे हैं प्रिंट करने के लिए, देन वेरी फर्स्ट रिटन इन ए बॉक्स फॉर्मेट लाइक दिस. It should be written in the box format and written in third person. The language is written in third person and name of host is written after that. Date, time and venue must be clear. Occasion and function is written, and sixth, it is written in completely formal language. Now informal invitations, what things we must keep in our mind? First, written in letter format. It is written in a letter format. Second, first person, it is written in first person. And third, date, time and venue is given here also. Occasion or function should be clear, and the language in informal. So it is written in informal language. Now an example or format of formal invitation is given here. I have written St. James School host organizer. There is some James School, so which requests the pleasure of your company on the inauguration of their junior wing, that is Little Stars. Date is 6th August 2000 XX. Any date you can write. Time 8 AM onwards, and venue is the campus, means school campus. Now schedule is Havan is on 8 AM, lunch on 2 PM and cultural program on 4 PM. RSVP ABC, it is a name here and his mobile number 98390 XXXXX, and at last it is written best wishes St. James Fraternity. So a format of informal invitation also I will give you. Now we will see informal invitation format, which I told you earlier that it is the format of an informal letter. So sender's address is written at the left top, and after that date, and then dear XYZ, to whom the invitation is being sent, and here you will write the body of the invitation letter. What is the letter about? You will write here, and the date of occasion or function and time and venue, and simply after that yours truly, signature of the person who is sending the invitation, and name of the sender in bracket in capital letters. So it is a complete format of informal invitation letter. Now we will deal with the question number 1 for a formal invitation letter. Sunrise Global School Agra is going to organize a one-act play competition in the school auditorium. You have decided to invite noted stage artist Nalini to grace the occasion. Draft a formal invitation for her in about 50 words. You are Karan/Karuna, Cultural Secretary. So here is a drafting for formal invitation letter. Mr. Karan Avasthi, Cultural Secretary, Sunrise Global School, Agra, cordially invites MS Nalini, a noted state artist, to grace the occasion of commemoration of Tagore Week and judge the one-act play competition being held in the school. For any further clarification, please contact Mr. Ramakant Mishra, Principal at 94156 XXXXX. It is a mobile number and venue is school auditorium. Time is 10 am and date 3rd April 2000XX. RSVP Karan, Cultural Secretary. So this is the example of a formal invitation letter. Hello students, now we will see two different questions of invitations and one question is specially designed for reply. But before that, if you have not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe it so that you can get the notifications in right time. अगर अभी तक आपने इस चैनल को सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया है तो कृपया सब्सक्राइब करें जिससे कि आपको टाइम पर इसके नोटिफिकेशंस नए वीडियोस के मिल सकें. थैंक यू. एंड नाउ वी विल रीड द क्वेश्चन नंबर 2. Suman/Suresh has cleared the pre-medical pre-dental entrance examination. The family is elated at the achievement and they decide to have a get together of all friends. Draft an informal invitation for the get together. Now this invitation has been written 36 New Town, Agra. It is the address of the sender. 4th April 2000XX. Dear friends, you are cordially invited for dinner on 10th April 2000XX at our residence to celebrate the achievement of our son Suresh for having cleared the pre-medical pre-dental entrance exam. Kindly grace the occasion and give him your blessings for his future success. Yours sincerely, Mr. and Mrs. Gupta. And question number 3. As the principal of a reputed college, you have been invited to inaugurate a book exhibition in your neighborhood. Draft a reply to the invitation in not more than 50 words expressing your inability to attend the function. You are Tarun/Tanvi. So actually it is a refusal reply, means you cannot attend the function. So St. John's College, Kanpur, it is the address of the sender, 17th March 2000XX. Sir, I thank you for inviting me to inaugurate a book exhibition on 20th March 2000XX. However, I regret to show my inability to do the same as I am out of station that day. Yours truly, Tarun Kamat. So this is the way you can draft your replies or you can draft the invitations also. So thank you very much.